This year, Bark House Poplar Wall Covering takes center stage as an architectural record product of the year. With its natural beauty, lasting performance, and the world's highest green certifications. Product designer Marty McCurry discovered the intrinsic value of poplar bark, a waste product of the logging industry in 1990. Inspired by patterns in nature, Marty had a personal mandate to create functional products that were pure. A host of technical issues had to be overcome in order to ensure the manufacturing process was clean. He created new bark wall coverings for modern application and laid the foundation for a manufacturing business that would make products like they had never been made before. The award signals that the design industry not only appreciates the product's beauty and other natural benefits, but also recognizes the bark house process has evolved product making for a more complex world. Our incredible wall coverings are 100% US sourced and made from upcycled tree bark in a manner that has earned the world's first and only cradle-to-cradle platinum certification. William McDonough, founder of Cradle to Cradle, said it best. If you look at what's going on at Highland Craftsmen, you are looking at a product that is almost a sacred thing. People are being honored with jobs, forests are being honored with sustainable forestry, and the buildings that use these materials are being honored with safe, healthy materials. This foundational commitment is what ultimately earned the company its 10th B Corp Best for the World award and made it this year's Record Product of the Year. Bark House reveals what can happen when a product of human nature transcends the nature of human products.